Now, I want you to subscribe to my channel, okay? Share my videos, and also I want you to drop your comments below so that I can know what to do. Whatever I'm not doing well, you tell me to improve on it. Whatever videos you want us to produce, I'll produce them for you, okay? So share my videos, subscribe, click on the subscribe button below, and also leave your comments below, okay? So that you can get me encouraged to do more videos, okay? And you can as well get my ebook. Click on the link above. It will take you to my website where you see a very good practical book, okay, that is called Practical Computer Knowledge for All Students. Okay, with this book, you'll become computer literate if you have not been computer literate before. Okay, with the book, you will know how to use Microsoft Word perfectly. Okay, Excel perfectly, PowerPoint perfectly. For those of you at the final year, okay, you will learn how to present with PowerPoint in a very excellent manner. Okay, your PowerPoint presentation will be superb. Okay, we'll teach you there how to link slides. Okay, how to link to videos and a lot of things. In this same book, you will learn how to edit your own videos, okay? Be it for your personal use, be it for social media, your videos, you will be able to edit your videos with this software after the training, okay? Everything is there. You'll be able to design your website, okay, and host it by yourself. The ebook is actually loaded. It's had a lot of things that you will learn, okay? So, as I've told you, do 3 things for me, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button. Share my videos. At the same time, you may have my book. Just click on the link and visit my website.